गोंय सरकार गोयच्या म्हत्वाच्या विशयाचेर अपेसी थारल्यात. मायनिंग बंदीचेर न्हंयच्या राष्ट्रीयकरणाचे आनी कोळशा सारके गोयचे म्हत्वाचे विशय तशेंच पडिल्ले आसा म्हूण काँग्रेसचो म्हणयारो यतीश नायक उलयला. 3 सदस्य समिती खंयच्याच विशयाचेर फुडें आयिल्ली दिश्टी पडना म्हूण तो मुखार म्हणटा. पणजेच्यान आडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीज आनी विलियम रॉड्रिगीज.
Some in the government have been speaking of filing a review petition. Some in the government have been speaking of forming a corporation. And some others in the government have even spoken of a need for ordinance to restart mining. But basically, no action has been taken in the last 3 months to restart mining operations in the state. Now, I just wish to mention a fact and an important aspect that after the 7th February judgment, over 3 months have elapsed, and in terms of Supreme Court rules, the period of filing a review is only 30 days. Now, if you see, there is some section of the press today has reported one minister saying that we will file a review petition. We will file. And the go ahead has come from across the seas, from wherever place the chief minister is. Now, in that same report, it is reported that the State Advocate General had spoken against review, called as Cabinet Advisory Committee, which inspires no sanctity within the constitutional scheme, and people are left to suffer because this government is in a state of pure paralysis. Now, it may be noted that as far as CAC is concerned, our party has made a viewpoint very clear that this CAC is not within the scope envisaged in the constitutional scheme of things. But yesterday, South Goa BJP MP has spoken something. Our Constitution of India, the Constitution of India, does not speak of a Cabinet Advisory Committee, and it does not, the scheme doesn't envisage any such Cabinet Advisory Committee. So I don't know whether the BJP MP was talking of the RSS constitution or the BJP constitution. We don't know.